Welcome to Sun Dragon Tips and Tricks. I figured it was time that we did some crochet. That is Avi. That is my assistant who has neither learned to knit or crochet, even though he likes to be present for all of this. I'll see if I can get a shot of him at the end. I'd like to do some intro crochet, but today we're going to tackle the puff stitch, which is often seen as kind of tricky because at some point you have to get a loop through 7 loops on your hook. I really recommend holding down, making space, wiggling without over wiggling to catch stuff. We'll diagram it out and we'll show it to you. This one might be a fairly short video, so let us know in the comments if you'd like to see things again, if you'd like a different angle, and we will work on it. Let's get going. Alright, so here is my best way to describe what is happening with a puff. What gives you the puff is all of this stuff on the hook by the time you finish. So let's map it out. This is your original loop before you start. You're going to yarn over. You're going to go into the hole and pull up a loop. I'll show you that in a second. You yarn over to pull that loop up. You're going to do a yarn over. You're going to go into the hole and pull up a loop. You're going to yarn over. You're going to go into the hole and pull up a loop. And then you're going to yarn over. This one can get caught in the hook because this yarn over is going to go through all of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loops are on your hook when you do this final one that gets pulled through all 7. That can be the trickiest part, to try to pull that cleanly through everything. Let's see how it's done. All right, let's see the puff stitch in action. Here is the hole that I want to go into. Here's my original loop. Yarn over, into the hole, yarn over and pull up a loop. I got 3. That's my cat walking by. Yarn over, into the hole, yarn over and pull up a loop. I should have 5. Yarn over, into the same hole again, yarn over and pull up a loop. I have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to yarn over, and I want to try to pull this through all of them. I'm going to yank things down. I'm going to see how well this goes. Wiggle a little if you have to, but not a lot, because you might pull some of those inside stitches. My rule of thumb, if you end up with more than one when you're done here at the end, see which one is attached to this, because that's the one you want to have at the end when you're totally done. And oftentimes it'll say, chain another one, and look, that's my puff. Thanks for joining us today in making a puff stitch. That little cluster right there, a puff stitch. It's really fun. I have made an entire shawl out of puff stitches. It is a fun accent on a lot of crochet work. Really cool thing to do. So may you have joy and confidence as you craft and as you crochet those puffs. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let me know in the comments what else you want to see me do. I hope to have some intro crochet things up soon. So let me know what you want to focus on. I find it really is wonderful to come take lessons in the shop if you're local, but this is a great way to do it remotely or as a reminder of things that we've done if you come to a class. I really strongly advocate for the classes because there's nothing like one-on-one help. So I gotta go figure out what the cat is breaking right now, but I will see you next time on Sun Dragon Tips and Tricks. Aha! That's what you had, huh? Where do you think you're going? You know there's a toy mouse right behind you, right? Avi?